Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have for you. This na Open Heaven Daily Devotional for Monday wey be the 16th of January 2023. Our topic today talk say raising an altar unto God. Our text dey come from the book of Genesis chapter 28 from verse 11 to verse 19. And our memory verse for today dey come from the book of Leviticus chapter 6 verse 13 wey talk say the fire for the altar e go continue to dey burn make dem no ever quench am. Leviticus 6 verse 13 na talk this one. Now make we enter the main message. Abraham na one ogbonge man wey be like say e raise plenty altars for God. We see this one for inside Genesis chapter 12 verse 7, Genesis chapter 13 verse 4, Genesis chapter 13 verse 18, and Genesis chapter 22 verse 9. No wonder when e be like say e get blessings wey be like say dey go from generation to generation. Altar na meeting place between God and man. And for our today Bible reading, we come suggest say even though sef Jacob no know say where im dey na altar, e see am for dream say that place na meeting point between heaven and earth. For example, altar fit dey for any corner of your room. If e be like say you dey stay one room apartment, you fit just set one small corner for the room with commitment say you go dey meet with God for that place every time, and you go treat that place as holy because that na altar of God. Anytime wey be like say you go there, God go dey there dey wait for you. Anytime wey be like say man go altar, e dey offer sacrifice to God and na to go worship God for the altar na make am dey go. For Genesis 22 from verse 1 to 14, we see say God come tell Abraham say make he go offer him only son Isaac as burnt offering. He even tell am the particular place wey be like say he go and he say when he reach there make him raise altar for there and make he present the sacrifice. We know say for this our time, if we dey visit ogbonge strong man, because of how much wey be like say you dey honor that man, you no dey go that place with ordinary hand or empty hand. That na why e be say when you dey go meet with the most high God, you no dey go with empty hand. If you no get anything at all, he go accept your sacrifice of praise. We see this one for Jeremiah chapter 17 verse 26. When God come meet man for altar, e dey come to bless the man. Psalm 67 verse 5 to 7 also tell us say when praise go up, blessing sef go come down. For inside Genesis 22 from verse 15 to 18, we see am say when Abraham bring Isaac reach the altar when he wan take offer am to God, God himself come stop am and he tell am say you don do your part, make I do my own. For blessing I go bless you, for multiplying I go multiply your seed. God dey meet with his children during services to bless them, especially those ones wey be like say dey come with sacrifice. I raise one altar for inside one small room for the first house wey be like say I stay for inside Redemption Camp more than 20 years now. The house dem dey call am now Open Heavens International Center. Since that place become altar to God up till today, people wey dey go there dey go pray in faith, dey receive mighty miracle wey be like say dey even dey surprise me sef. Our action point for today be say identify one specific part of your house or environment when you go mark as your altar, and make you make sure say you dey always dey go follow God talk for that place. The Open Heavens Daily Devotional is written by Pastor E.A. Adeboye, who is the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, and was presented to you by Lauro Favor. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with us to the very end of today's video. We're glad you were here with us. Please keep a date with us by subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. And do not forget to follow us also on TikTok at lauru_favor1. And do not forget to like our videos across the social media platforms, and of course share it on your social media platforms so your friends and family could be part of this amazing family with you as well. So we'll come your way again with another amazing video. This is still Famous Blog.